Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of grooming to bring you the top 5 best beard trimmers of 2024. Check the links in the description for more details, and let us know in the comments which one caught your eye. If you're serious about maintaining that perfect beard, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the versatile Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 3000. This trimmer is a grooming powerhouse, offering precision and ease. Whether you're going for a clean shave or a well-groomed beard, the Multigroom Series 3000 has you covered. Check the link in the description for more details. The Philips Norelco Multigroomer All-in-One Trimmer Series 3000, your ultimate grooming companion for a well-groomed and stylish look. This 13-piece men's grooming kit is a versatile solution for all your grooming needs, ensuring you can achieve the perfect style from head to toe. Let's delve into the features that make the MG3750/60 a grooming essential. The Multigroomer Series 3000 comes equipped with 13 attachments, making it the only tool you need for all your grooming requirements. It includes a full-size steel trimmer, a precision trimmer, a nose and ear hair trimmer, 3 hair trimming guards, 3 beard trimming guards, a stubble guard, an accessory travel storage bag, and a cleaning brush. This comprehensive kit ensures you have the right tool for every grooming task. Say goodbye to the hassle of blade maintenance. Unlike the competition, the Multigroomer Series 3000 doesn't require oil to maintain high-quality performance. The blades and guards are easy to detach and rinse, simplifying your grooming routine and ensuring lasting efficiency. Experience maximum precision with dual-cut technology, featuring 2x more self-sharpening blades. The steel blades sharpen themselves as they work, guaranteeing a sharp cutting edge that remains as effective as day one even after 2 years of use. Enjoy consistent and precise grooming results every time. Designed for a variety of grooming needs, the MG3750/60 is recommended for use on the face, beard, nose, eyebrows, sideburns, neck, and hair clipping. No matter your preferred style, this all-in-one trimmer caters to your unique grooming preferences. The included accessory travel storage bag ensures that you can take your grooming kit on the go. Stay well-groomed and stylish wherever life takes you with the convenience of this compact and portable design. With automatic voltage ranging from 100 to 240 V, this trimmer is ready for use globally, ensuring that you can maintain your impeccable look no matter where you are. Crafted with a metal blade, the Multigroomer Series 3000 is built to last. The MG3750 model is part of the Multigroom 3000 series, representing Philips Norelco's commitment to quality and innovation. At number 4, we have another gem from Philips Norelco, the Multigroom Series 7000. Known for its durability and range of attachments, this trimmer is perfect for those who love to experiment with different beard styles. It's a grooming tool that adapts to your needs. Explore more through the link below. The Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000, the ultimate men's grooming kit designed for precision and versatility in trimming and styling. Elevate your grooming routine with this comprehensive set of 19 tools and accessories, offering stainless steel precision for a perfect beard, hair, and body trim. Let's delve into the exceptional features that make the MG7910/49 a grooming essential. The Multigroom 7000 provides precision like no other. The trimming guard allows you to select length settings in 0.2 mm increments from 1 to 3 mm, ensuring a precise trim to the exact length you desire. Additionally, the adjustable comb with lengths ranging from 3 to 7 mm provides even more grooming options, allowing you to achieve a customized look with ease. Experience grooming innovation with Smart Beard Sense technology, scanning beard density 125 times per second. This advanced feature boosts power precisely when needed, making it effortless to tackle dense, bushy, or long beards. Enjoy a consistently smooth and efficient grooming experience. Say goodbye to blade maintenance hassles. The self-sharpening stainless steel blades ensure long-lasting performance, remaining as sharp as day one without the need for oil. This feature guarantees a consistently precise trim every time. Designed for more than just facial grooming, this kit features body combs for body and intimate grooming. From chest and abs to the groin, legs, and back, the Multigroom Series 7000 is your all-in-one solution for a well-groomed and confident look. Crafted with a steel frame and rubber grips, this trimmer offers superior control, ensuring a comfortable and steady grip during your grooming sessions. Achieve professional-level precision with ease. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, the Multigroom Series 7000 boasts an impressive 5 hours of runtime on a single charge. Enjoy the convenience of extended usage, making it ideal for both home and travel use. Securing the third spot is the Bronze Series 9, a trimmer that combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design. Engineered for efficiency and precision, the Series 9 is a go-to for the modern man who values a sophisticated grooming routine. Dive into its features using the link in the description. The Bronze Series 9 9370 cubic centimeters rechargeable wet and dry men's electric shaver, a pinnacle of efficiency, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Elevate your shaving experience with the world's most efficient electric shaver, designed to provide exceptional closeness and comfort. Let's explore the remarkable features that make the Series 9 9370 cubic centimeters a grooming essential. Experience the best efficiency in shaving with the Bronze Series 9, featuring 5 cutting elements that capture more hair in one stroke than any other electric shaver. Achieve a thorough and precise shave with every pass, ensuring a polished and smooth result. These electric razors intelligently respond to your face contours and beard density, adapting to the unique features of your skin. Enjoy more skin contact for an exceptionally close and comfortable shave, leaving your skin feeling smooth and irritation-free. The 5-in-1 Clean and Charge Station is a game-changer, automatically charging and hygienically cleaning, lubricating, and drying your shaver. This ensures that your shaver performs like new every time, maintaining optimal functionality and hygiene. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the Series 9 9370 cubic centimeters offers a 60-minute full charge that lasts 20% longer than other shavers. Additionally, a quick 5-minute charge is all you need for one shave, providing flexibility for your grooming routine. Designed for versatility, these wet and dry electric razors are 100% waterproof. Use them with foam, gel, or even under the shower for a personalized and comfortable shaving experience. Embrace the convenience of wet or dry shaving based on your preferences. The Bronze Series 9 9370 cubic centimeters men's electric shaver comes complete with essential accessories, including the Clean and Charge Station, cleaning cartridge, travel case, smart plug, and cleaning brush. Enjoy the convenience of a comprehensive grooming package. Stepping into the runner-up position is the Wahl Lithium-Ion All-in-One Grooming Kit. Wahl has been a trusted name in grooming, and this kit lives up to the reputation. With lithium-ion power and a range of attachments, it's a complete grooming solution. Learn more by clicking the link below. The Wahl USA Stainless Steel Lithium-Ion 2.0 Plus Beard Trimmer, your all-in-one solution for grooming, trimming, and shaving. This electric shaver and nose ear trimmer, part of the Model 9864SS, offers a comprehensive men's grooming kit for a versatile and precise grooming experience. Let's explore the features that make this Wahl trimmer a grooming essential. Featuring 4 different attachment heads, including a wide T-blade for beards and mustache trimming, touch-ups, body grooming, and detailing. The Precision Detailer head is designed for intricate details, clean-up, and complex designs, ensuring a versatile grooming experience. Enjoy a hygienic grooming experience with the rotary ear and nose trimmer head, keeping nose and ear trimming separate. The Dual Foil Shaver head provides ultra-close shaves, delivering a smooth and clean finish. Powered by Lithium-Ion 2.0 Plus technology, this beard trimmer offers an impressive 3.5 hours of continuous runtime on a single charge. Experience months of usage between charges with almost no loss of charge during storage. The stainless steel Lithium-Ion 2.0 Plus includes 10 individual guide combs, allowing for a wide variety of cutting lengths. With 8 T-blade guide combs for haircuts ranging from short, 1/16, to long, 1/2, and 210 position adjustable guide combs providing cutting lengths between 2 mm to 21 mm, achieve the perfect grooming style effortlessly. With 3.5 hours of runtime, the Lithium-Ion 2.0 Plus is ideal for travel, vacations, business trips, and more. The worldwide voltage compatibility ensures you can use it no matter the country you're in, 110V, 220V, or dual voltage. Wahl clippers, trimmers, massagers, and shavers make excellent Christmas gifts for both women and men. Give the gift of Wahl this holiday season, providing a reliable and high-performance grooming tool for a loved one. And now, claiming the #1 spot is the Wahl Cordless Magic Clip. This trimmer is a legend in the grooming world, known for its precision and reliability. With cordless convenience and cutting-edge technology, the Magic Clip is a game-changer. Don't miss out on this grooming masterpiece. Check the link in the description. The Wahl Professional 5-Star Cordless Magic Clip Hair Clipper, the go-to choice for professional barbers and stylists seeking precision, freedom, and a seamless cutting experience. This iconic cordless clipper is designed for creating seamless blends and textures, making it the world's best-selling professional clipper. Let's explore the features that make the Magic Clip a staple in the grooming industry. Wahl's Magic Clip boasts a patented stagger-tooth blade, making it ideal for creating seamless blends and textures. Whether achieving hard or soft line fading or bulk hair removal, this clipper delivers exceptional results with the freedom of cordless operation. The Magic Clip wireless clipper is not just silent, it produces a distinctive crisp, crunch sound during operation. This auditory cue allows barbers or stylists to confidently know that hair is being cut, ensuring a polished and finished look for every client. Crafted with a durable housing that is both lightweight and robust, the Magic Clip is ideal for all-day professional use. The clipper is designed to withstand the demands of a busy salon or barbershop while providing a comfortable and ergonomic experience. The American-made cordless Magic Clip comes complete with 8 attachment comb cutting guides, 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, and 1, a recharging transformer, cleaning brush, clipper blade oil, and operating instructions. Everything you need for a precise and efficient cutting experience is included. Measuring just 6.25 inch long and weighing only 10 ounces, the Magic Clip is compact and easy to handle. It features a stagger-tooth top, number 2161, blade and an adjustable taper lever, providing versatility in cutting lengths. Wahl takes pride in producing quality grooming tools, and the cordless Magic Clip is no exception. Made in the USA, this clipper reflects Wahl's commitment to excellence and innovation in the barbering industry. Please be aware that due to continuous improvement, the product appearance may slightly vary from the images on this listing. There you have it, our top 5 best beard trimmers of 2024. Each of these trimmers brings something unique to the table, catering to different grooming needs and preferences. Check the links in the description for more details, and let us know in the comments which one caught your eye. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting grooming content. Until next time, stay sharp and keep rocking that perfect beard.